today we are going to see chapter 7 fractions revision video. Okay, right. See in exercise 7.2, third row, change into improper fractions. Third Roman exercise 7.2. Okay, ma'am. See, change into improper fraction. They gave in mixed fraction. Now we are going to change improper fraction. You have a formula for that. Already know that formula. What is the formula to change into improper fraction? Means denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the formula. Okay, ma'am? This is the formula. To convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction means we have to use this formula. See, the first one in the third Roman, they gave the A sum is 7, 3 by 4. See, here they gave the question in a mixed form. Why we are calling it a mixed form? Because 7 is the whole number, 3 by 4 is a fraction. So both whole number and fraction mixed, no? So that's why we are calling it a mixed fraction. Okay, now we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So for that only we are going to use this formula. What is the denominator here? 4 is the denominator. So 4 into whole number. What is the whole number here? 7 is the whole number. So 4 into 7 plus numerator. What is the numerator here? 3 is the numerator. So 3 by again denominator. The denominator is 4. Okay, 4 sevens are, what will come now? 4 sevens are 28 plus 3 by denominator 4. Then 28 plus 3, we have to add that number, no? 28 plus 3 means what will come? 31 by 4. This is our answer. Many of them, what kind of mistakes you will do? You will multiply and add this number, but you didn't write the denominator. That means your answer is correct. Compulsory you have to write the numerator and denominator. Then only we can call it an improper fraction. Otherwise, if you are not writing this denominator, means it's a whole number only. So your answer is wrong. Okay. So you can utilize this formula and do this sum like that. You already know these kind of sums. You already studied in your 5th standard also. Is it or not? Yeah. Right. See, one more sum I will do here. B1 5 6 by 7. So already I explained the formula. So no need to write again and again. So directly I am going to multiply this number. See, our denominator is 7 into whole number 5 plus our numerator is 6 by denominator 7. See, 5 sevens are 35. So 35 plus numerator 6 by 7. So 35 plus 6, what will come now? 41 by 7. This is the answer. Now we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So in this third Roman, they gave many sums. I worked out here 2 sums. The remaining sums are you can utilize for your practice. Okay. Then we can go to the next exercise 7.3. See, in 7.3, third Roman. Replace the box in each of the following by the correct answer. I am writing the heading in a short form. what we are going to do? We are going to replace this box and write the correct answer. See the first one. A sum they gave 2 by 7 equals 8 by dash. They gave the box. Whenever they gave two fractions, in the middle they gave the equal sign means, what is the meaning for this one? What is the meaning? It's a equivalent fraction. What is this? Equivalent fraction. Right. So equivalent fraction means we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. See, whenever your left side fraction is smaller than the right side fraction means it's a they multiplied. It's a multiplication equivalent fraction. Okay. But in the left side they give the bigger number. Right side they give smaller number means it's a division divide equivalent fraction. Okay. But here left side is a small number. Right side they give the big number. That means it's a multiplication equivalent fraction. By multiplication only we can find the equivalent fraction. Right. How we can find it? Listen. So this side they gave 8. Numerator they gave, denominator only they missed. We are going to find out. See how many 2s are 8, ma? How many 2s are 8? 4 2s are 8. Very good. 4 2s are 8. That means we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. Then only it's a equivalent fraction. Whenever you are finding the equivalent fraction, you have to do multiplication or division by the same number, the numerator and the denominator. See, 2 4s are 8. So 4 7s are 28. Now we replace this box and find this answer. What is the answer? 8 by 28 is the answer. Okay, ma? Right. Then in the same Roman, one more sum. B1 5 by 8 equals 10 by dash. Okay, first you have to observe it's a multiplication equivalent fraction or division equivalent fraction. See, your left side fraction is smaller than your right side fraction. That means it's a multiplication fraction only. Right. See, 5, this side they gave the numerator 10. That means you have to multiply this 5. Okay. So how many 5s are 10, ma? 2 5s are 10. Right. So 5 by 8 into 2. Whenever you are multiplying your numerator by 2, you have to multiply the denominator also by 2 only. So the numerator again they gave 5 2s are 10. See the denominator 8 2s are 16. So we replace this box and find the denominator. Okay, do you understand or not? Are you clear? Right. So shall we go to the next Roman? 4th Roman. And one more thing, you don't need to copy your classwork note because already you copied. So no need to again to copy in your classwork. It's a revision video only. If you want, you can write in your rough note. That's enough. See, ma, this also equivalent fraction only, but they gave the fraction and the condition also they gave. In your previous Roman, we only find the numerator and denominator. Here they gave the condition. According to that condition, we are going to find the equivalent fraction. Okay. See, they gave the fraction is 3 by 5 in the 4th Roman, but they gave the condition. Denominator, you have to find out 20. Denominator is 20. Okay, it's a clue. 3 by 5. See, our left side fraction is smaller than our right side fraction. That means it's a multiplication equivalent fraction. Denominator they gave 20. So how many 5s are 20, ma? Very good. 4 5s are 20. So in the down we multiply by 4 means numerator also we have to multiply by 4 only. 3 5s are 15. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. According to the condition we have to find the equivalent fraction. Okay. Then one more sum. B sum. Now B sum they gave the numerator. Numerator is 9. Okay. Again you have to write the same fraction 3 by 5 into, because this is also multiplication fraction only. Numerator they gave 9. We are going to find the denominator. So how many 3s are 9? 3 3s are 9. So 3 by 3 equivalent means numerator and denominator both sides we have to multiply by the same number only. So here also 3 3 5s are 15. That's all we find out. Okay, ma? Right. Then, shall we go to the next Roman? Fifth Roman. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. Fifth Roman. Equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. With here also they gave the condition. Write the question only. See the first one A1. They gave the numerator is 9. Numerator they gave 9. Right. Listen. The question is 36 by 48. On the right side they gave the numerator is 9. By denominator we are going to find out. And one more thing I already told you, your left side fraction is greater than your right side fraction means it's a division equivalent fraction. So we are going to divide by the same number. So 9 means how many 9s are 26, ma? 4 times it will come, no? 4 9s are 36. So 4 by 4. We divide this 36 by 4 means 9 times it will come. Then here 48 divided by 4 means 4 4s are 1 time it will come. Then how many 4s are there? 2 4s are 8. So 12. So 9 by 12 is the answer. Already they gave the numerator. Now we find the denominator. Okay. Then we go to the next one. B sum. The same Roman B1. B1 they gave denominator 4. Denominator 4. Right. We are going to find the answer for the same fraction only. The question is 36 by 48. Denominator they gave the condition 4. So that means we are going to find the numerator. Okay, this is also division equivalent fraction only because left side fraction is bigger than our right side fraction. Okay, ma'am. So here they gave 4 means what will come? They divided by how many 4s are 48, ma'am? How many 4s are 10 4s are 40, 11 4s are 44, 12 4s are 14. That means they divided by 12. So 12 by 12. So 12 means 48 means 4 times. Here 3 times it will come. So the answer is 3 by 4. Find the answer. You understand? Then we go to the next Roman, 6th Roman. 6th Roman. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Now here they gave some fractions. We are going to check that fractions are equivalent fractions or not. Okay. I'm writing the heading in a short form only. See, first one is something gave 5 by 9. Another fraction they give 30 by 54. 30 by 54. Now we are going to find out these two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay. How we can find these two fractions are equivalent or not? One method is division method. Okay. See, left side fraction is smaller than our right side fraction. Sorry, it's a multiplication. Multiplication or division also, both sides we can check it. See, this is 30 by 54. Now, left side fraction is bigger than the right side fraction. Right side what they gave? 5 by 9. Okay, it's a division equivalent fraction means how many 5s are 30 ma? 6 5s are 30. That means 6 by 6. See? 5 9s are 54. So we find the answer 5 by 9. 5 by 9. That means this 30 by 54 and 5 by 9, these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay? Because we simplify this 30 by 54 means we can get this 5 by 9. Otherwise, we multiply this 5 by 9 with 6 means we can get the answer 30 by 54. So, both fractions are equivalent fractions only. Right. So, we have another one method also. It's a cross multiplication method. That method also I will explain in this exam. You can utilize this method or cross multiplication method. Okay. So, how we can find the cross multiplication method? First, you have to write the both fractions. 5 by 9, and that side they gave 30 by 54. Both fractions they gave. It's a cross multiplication. So, 5 into 54, 9 into 30. 5 into 54, and this side 9 into 30. 5 4s are 20, 0, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2, 27. Right, here, 9 zeros are 0, 3 9s are 27. See, both answers are same only, 270, 270. That means both are equivalent fractions. Therefore, 5 by 9 equal to 30 by 54. This is the answer. Okay, pa? You can utilize this method or this method. That is your wish. Both are same only. Right? Then we go to the next Roman. The next Roman is 7th Roman. Reduce the fractions to simplest form. Reduce the fractions. Always write in the short form. Reduce to simplest form. Right, simplest form. See, the A1 is 48 by 60. Reduce, cancellation, simplification, all are same only. We are going to reduce these fractions by same number. Numerator and denominator we are going to reduce by the same number. See here, 48 by 60 means both sides we have even number. Both sides we have even number. That means we can take the smallest number 2. Okay. So I am dividing this number by 2 by 2. So how many times it will come? 2 2s are 4, amma. 2 times is 10. 2 4s are 8. So 24 by 2 3s are 6. 3 times 0. Again both sides we have even number. Again I am taking by 2 table. 2 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 1 2s are 2, remaining one is the joint here means we can get 10, 5 2s are 10. Then hereafter one side only we have an even number, another side we are having odd number, so we cannot reduce by 2 table. Then we go to the another common table. In which table we can simplify this? 12 and 15 in which table it will come? Yes, in 3 table we can do this. Is it or not? Divided by 3 by 3. So how many 3s are 12? 4 times it will come now. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. That's all. Hereafter we cannot reduce this fraction. So 4 by 5 is the final answer. Okay ma? Hereafter we cannot reduce it. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Do you understand? Then one more sum, B1. 150 by 60. 150 by 60. So both sides are even number. It's a big number. So that's why I am going to take by 10 table. 10 by 10. I am going to reduce by 10 table. 10 by 10. So how many times are 150 ma? 15 times it will come now. 15 times are 150. Here 6 times are 60. Then, so which is the common table for this number? 15 by 6 means we can take the 3 table. How many times it will come? 3 by 3 means 5 3s are 15 by 2 times it will come. 2 3s are 6. Hereafter we cannot reduce it. So 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay? Do you understand? Right. The next one. Okay, next one we are going to see exercise 7.4. So in the 7.4, Roman number 2 and Roman number 5 both are more or less same only. We are going to compare the fractions and write which is greatest, which is smallest. Okay, see the first one. Fifth Roman filled with greater than, less than or equal. First one is 1 by 2. This way they gave 1 by 5. Okay. Usually, how you will compare the fractions? Your denominators are same means we can compare with our numerator and write the answer. But here they gave different denominators. So what we have to do? First we have to take the LCM and make it equivalent fractions. Then only we can compare it. Is it or not? Okay. See here, both denominators are prime numbers. Both denominators are prime numbers. That means no need to take the LCM. Suppose if you take the LCM also, what's the answer will come? 2 5s are 10. 10 is the LCM. LCM is 10. Whenever you have both sides are prime number, then no need to take the all LCM steps. You can multiply that both number. Your LCM also will come that number only. Okay, right. Now we know the LCM is 10. Then I am going to make the both fractions are equivalent. Okay. So denominator I have to make 10 means I will multiply this fraction by 5 by 5. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. Then the next fraction 1 by 5 into 10 means I am going to multiply by 2 by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Now I make it both sides are, both fractions are equivalent fractions because same denominator. We have same denominator. So 5 by 10, this side they gave 2 by 10. Now you can compare it which is biggest one, which is smallest one. So 5 by 10 is the biggest one. So greater than symbol. Then how to write the actual original fraction. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, ma? Do you understand? So if they gave the different denominators with the fractions and you have to compare and find out which is the greatest one, which is smallest one, means have to take the LCM, make it equivalent fraction, then only you have to compare and find the final answer, which is greatest, which is smallest. Do you understand? Right. Then the same Roman, I am going to do B1. B sum they gave 2 by 4. This side they gave 3 by 6. See here, both are not the prime numbers, even number only. So I am going to take the LCM 4 and 6. But you have to use the prime numbers only for LCM. How many times it will come? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Hereafter, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Now I find the LCM. I am going to make it equivalent fractions. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So in a denominator 12 means, so 3 by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And here 6 2s are 2 by 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6. So same denominators for both fractions. Now I am going to compare the fractions. 6 by 12 and this side also 6 by 12. So both sides are same only. So it's a equivalent fraction. So 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, both fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay, pa? Do you understand? Do you understand now? Okay. Then go to the next row. Sixth row. Yes, sixth row. Writing this in the down. Sixth Roman, separate in 3 groups of equivalent fractions. Separate in 3 groups. Equivalent fraction. Okay. 2 by 12. First one, I give 2 by 12. See ma, in the sixth Roman, the following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. They gave the fractions, we have to do the simplest form, that means reduce. We have to do the reducing form and then we can get one final answer, no? That kind of final answer we have to find this all questions A to L, K to L, all sums we have to find the final answer. How we can find the final answer? By simplification we can get the final answer. After the final answer we have to arrange the answers into 3 groups because that all answers will come in 3 groups. So which are the fractions are giving the same answer, we have to arrange that answers into 3 groups. Okay, like that today I select in only one group sums only. So for that I select the A sum and the E sum because these 2 sums are comes under the same group. So that I select the A sum and E sum. E sum is 10 by 60. 10 by 60. I reduce these sums and get the final answer, means that both answers will come same. Okay, right. See 2 by 12, both sides are even number. So So I am going to take by 2 table, 2 by 2. How many times it will come? 1 2s are 1, 6 2s are 12. 1 by 6. Hereafter I cannot reduce it. Is it or not? So 1 by 6 is the final answer. Like that. I am going to reduce the next one. Is 10 by 60. Here also both sides are even number. So I am going to take by 2 table. Sorry, I am going to take by 10 table. Because 10 by 60, no, I am going to take by 10 table. 10 by 10. 1 10 is 10. 6 tens are 60. 1 by 6. See, my final answer is 1 by 6. See, both sums are same only. These two answers are same. So I am arranging these two sums in a one same group. Like that, remaining sums you have to reduce it and find the answer. Where answers are will come in another two group. One group I find out 1 by 6. So another two groups you have to find out. Okay. Then we go to the next one. 7th Roman. Find the answers. 7th Roman. Find the answers. Find the answers. First one, A1 is 5 by 9 equal to 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. So how we can find out 5 by 9 is equal to 4 by 5? Listen. 5 by 9, 4 by 5. I am going to do cross multiplication. 5 into 5, this side 9 into 4. What will come? 5 5s are 25, 4 9s are 36. So both sides are not equal. So it's not equivalent. Okay? Then we have tried to our original fraction. 5 by 9 is not equivalent to 4 by 5. This is the final answer. Okay, ma? Right. Shall we go to the next one? I will teach here one more sum, B sum. No, space is not here. I am doing this side. Okay, ma? The same Roman, another sum. D sum is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30. So how we can find the answer? By cross multiplication. Already I don't know. So 1 by 15. This side take 4 by 30. So 15 by 4 1 into 30. This side 15 into 4. What will come? 1 30s are 30. This side 4 5s are 20. 0 remaining to 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 2 6 60. See, this is not equivalent. So what is the original fraction? 1 by 15 is not equivalent to 4 by 30. This is the answer. Okay. The next one, the same exercise. They have 3 word problems. I am going to do one word problem now. 8 sum only I am doing now. Remaining 2 sums already you know. You revise it yourself. See the 8th one, the word problem. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Ila read 25 pages. But the total number of pages on the book is 100 pages. Okay. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. And another one girl, Lalita, she read 2 by 5 of the same book. That 100 pages book, she read 2 by 5. Who read less? So how we can find the answer? See, Ila read 25 pages, Lalita read 2 by 5 pages. So who read less means how we can say the answer? Both sides they gave whole number means we can say the answer is easily. But one side they gave in a fraction form. So how we can find the answer? Listen, how we are going to find the answer? 87. A book contains how many pages? I am writing the answers only, ma. Solution only writing. Okay. A book contains how many pages? 100 pages. Right. Ila read how many pages? Ila read 25 pages. Then Lalita read how many pages? Lalita also read the same book only. How many pages he read? They gave in fraction 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Right. So 2 by 5 means how many pages? First we have to find that answer. So how we can find? Listen. 2 by 5 into total number of pages on the book. How many pages on the book? 100 pages. So 100. So we have to simplify it. We have to simplify it. So I am going to take by 5 here. 1 5s are 5. Here 2 5s are 10. This 0 will come. 20. So 2 into 20. 2 20s are 40. So how many pages should we read? 40 pages. Who read 40 pages? Lalita read 40 pages. Now, what they are asking in our question, who read less? Okay, so you have to compare to Ila and Lalita. Ila read 25 pages, but Lalita read 40 pages. So who read less? 25. Ila only read less. So we have to write the answer. Ila read less pages. That's all. Ila read less pages. Now we find the answer. Okay, ma? Do you understand? First, what is the difficulty in this problem is, one side they gave the whole number, another side they gave it fraction. So fraction means we don't know how many pages. So first we have to find out 2 by 5 means how many pages. So 2 by 5 into total number of pages on the book is 100. We simplified means we can get the answer 40 pages. So who read 40 pages? Lalita read 40 pages. So hereafter we have to compare the Ila and Lalita. So Ila read 25 pages, Lalita read 40 pages. So who read less? Ila only read less. This is the answer. Okay. Right. See 9 and 10 you already know. You revise it yourself. Then we go to the next exercise 7.5. Okay. Okay, ma. In 7.1, we are going to see second Roman solve. See the first one, a sum they gave 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. See, whenever your denominators are same, we can add the fractions directly. Is it or not? See here, both sides they gave the same denominator only. So no need to take LCM anything. We can add the fractions directly. 1 plus 1 by 18. It's a common denominator. So what will come? 2 by 18 is the answer. That's how we solve the question. Okay. Then in the same Roman, I am going to do G1. G7. 1 minus 2 by 3. This is the question. 1 minus 2 by 3. Listen. Here we don't know the value for this 1. No. See, they gave the proof. 1 means it's equal to 3 by 3. Whenever the numerator and denominators are same, then only it's equal to 1. Is it or not? Yes. So 3 by 3. Here we are going to apply this 3 by 3 for instead of this 1. Okay. So 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. See, now your denominators are same. So here also we can subtract directly. So 3 minus 2 by common denominator 3. So 3 minus 2, 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay, ma? Do you understand? That's all. Second Roman over. Then third Roman. The third Roman they gave word problem. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. Shubham going to paint his room 2 by 3. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. His sister also helped to his brother. Helped to her brother. She painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? So they together, how much they painted? We are going to find out how much they painted. See, Shubham painted the wall. Shubham is HU, no? Shubham painted the wall. Shubham painted the wall 2 by 3. 2 by 3 space. Madhavi painted the wall. Madhavi painted the wall or 1 by 3. 1 by 3 space. Okay, ma? So they painted together. They painted together. Together means what we have to do? We add both fractions. See here, both denominators are same. So that's why we can add it directly. 2 by 3 by 1 by 3. That means 2 plus 1 by common denominator 3. 2 plus 1, 3 by 3. That means whenever your numerator and denominator are equal, it's equal to 1. So the answer is 1 wall. They both of them painted 1 wall. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Shubham painted the wall 2 by 3 space. Madhavi painted the wall 1 by 3 space. They painted together. They both of them painted together. We have to together means we have to add the fractions. Here, unfortunately, they gave the same denominator. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, we can add it directly. So 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means it's equal to 1. So 1 wall they painted. Okay, right. Then we go to the fourth Roman. Fill in the missing fractions. Fill the missing fractions. missing fractions. See, first one A1, we gave 7 by 10 minus some missing equal to 3 by 10. So 7 by 10 minus, we don't know this, so we can keep like x equal to 3 by 10. Now we are going to find this x. Is it or not? So I am going to take out that x because I am going to find this x. So that's why I bring out the x. X equal to this 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10. See here also both the denominators are same. So I can directly subtract this. So x equal to 7 minus 3 by 10. What will come? 7 minus 3? 4, no? So x equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, ma'am? 4 by 10. Because it's a fraction. So you must write the denominator also. Do you understand? In the same Roman. Okay, one is enough. So the answer is 4 by 10. Then we go to the next exercise 7.6. Right now. In this chapter 7.6 is the last exercise. See, first one they gave solve. Here some 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So here they gave different denominators, so we can't add directly these fractions. So whenever you have a different fractions, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM and make it equivalent denominator, then only we can add. Is it or not? But here another one too I gave you. Both sides are, if you have a prime number, no need to take the LCM. Okay, you can multiply it directly. So 3 sevens are what will come? 21. So the LCM is 21. Now you can make it common denominator 2 by 3. So 21 means common denominator. We have to multiply by 7. 3 sevens are 21, 2 sevens are 14. Then 1 by 7. So common denominator 21 means we have to multiply by 3 by 3. 7 3s are 21, 1 3s are 3. So we make it common denominator 14 by 21 this side plus 3 by 21. So we can add directly. 14 plus 3 by 21 equal to 14 plus 3, 17 by 21 is the final answer. We solve it. Okay? Do you understand or not? Whenever they gave the different denominators, we can't add directly. We have to take the LCM. But here both sides they gave the prime numbers. So we can multiply this number directly. That is the LCM. So 3 sevens are 21. So after we have to make a common denominator. If you got the common denominator, we can add directly. The final answer is 17 by 21. Okay, ma'am. Then next one. Fourth Roman. The same Roman I am going to do. Fourth Roman. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. See A1 A sum. 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. So we don't know this box, no, we can keep like x minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. Right, I am going to find out this x. So x, this 1 by 4 is coming this side, 1 by 4. So after the equal symbol, this 5 by 8 is going that side, means will be converted to plus 5 by 8. So I am going to take the LCM for this 4 and 8 because different denominators, both are not a prime number, even number only. So I am going to take the LCM for 4 and 8. What will come? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the LCM? The LCM is 8. LCM is 8. We find the LCM. Then we have to make a common denominator for this both 1 by 4 and 5 by 8. So common denominator 8 means I am going to multiply this number by 2 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And here already in the denominator we have 8 only. So I multiply by 1 by 1. So 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8. So I am going to add these both fractions. Here 2 by 8 plus 5. It's a common denominator. 2 plus 5 by 8. So 2 plus 5, 7 by 8. So what is the value for that x form? X equal to 7 by 8. Right. X equal to 7 by 8. That's all. One more time I repeat this one. We are going to find this box. So we don't know this box number. So I keep x. So x minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. So x 1 by 4. This side we have minus means equal. It goes to the opposite of the equal symbol means it will convert to plus. So plus 5 by 8. So 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. The denominators are different, so we can't add directly. We have to take the LCM. I find the LCM is 8. So I have to make a common denominator for this 1 by 4 and 5 by 8. So 2 by 8 and 5 by 8. So common denominator is 8. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 by 8. So the value of x is 7 by 8. Okay, ma'am. That's all. Your chapter 7 revisions are over. In our next class, we can see the revision for exercise chapter 8. 8th chapter. What is the 8th one? Decimal sum. Yes, decimals we can see in our next video class. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.